Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, the Pinay Couponer, and in today's video guys, I'm going to share with you paano mag-coupon in CVS, step-by-step tutorial, and more saving tips. So unang-una guys is mag-download tayo ng CVS app.
So for Apple user guys, punta lang kayo sa Apple Store and i-search nyo lang yung CVS. And itong CVS Shopping ang i-download nyo guys. And after ma-download guys, i-open lang yung app and then i-click lang tong account and then yung create account and fill up lang lahat ng info na needed guys. Then dito sa sign in credentials guys, ito yung gagamitin mo para mag-login or mag-sign in sa app. So, gawa ng password and meron ding questions guys, security. Pili lang kayo kung ano yung madaling matandaan na security question. And then guys, i-click lang itong terms and conditions and i-click yung create account. And babalik kayo sa main page guys at mag-sign in na at gamitin yung email and password na sinign up nyo. After mag-sign in guys, i-click lang yung home sa baba and then punta tayo sa deals and rewards.
So makikita nyo sa aking account guys, matagal na kasi to, maraming mga coupons na. Pero pag bago pa, wala pa masyadong coupons. So yung coupons guys, may dalawang klase. May CRT na tinatawag, meaning cash register tape, pero in short, store coupons guys. And then yung manufacturer coupons. So yung mga CRTs, pwedeng i-stack or pwedeng gamitin together with the manufacturer coupon. So makikita nyo guys, yung mga CRTs walang mga pictures. So yung CRTs na tinatawag guys, or store coupons, ay nagbe-based siya sa purchasing habit mo. So kung gusto mong makamura or mag-coupon ng toothpaste, toothbrush, or mouthwash, bumili ka muna ng toothpaste guys, toothbrush, or mouthwash. Or gusto mong magka-coupon ng shampoo and conditioner, bumili ka muna kasi magti-trigger yung system guys na bigyan ka ng store coupon or CRTs na magagamit mo for couponing. So, I'll provide you one example guys. Yung sa oral care. Kasi yun lagi ang my freebies guys. Using our CRTs and manufacturer coupons. And for me guys, I am only using digital and printable coupons. Hindi na ako bumibili ng inserts kasi yung Sunday paper namin dito is $5. And para sa akin guys, not worth it. So, ang aking ituturo lamang ngayon ay ang paggamit ng mga digital coupons and printable coupons. So, ang product na aking i-example is yung Colgate guys. So, punta tayo sa weekly deals guys. So, ang weekly deals ng CVS ay mag-start from Sunday, then mag-end siya ng Saturday. But, ingat kayo guys, if magpo-purchase kayo on a Saturday, meron kasing mga stores na maaga yung or early activation yung tinatawag guys, na yung next week na deal na yung naka-trigger sa system. So, for example guys, kukuha kayo ng toothpaste na buy 2 get $4 extra box. Then, the next week, wala ng extra box. But, kung may early activation yung store na pupuntahan mo, next week na deal na yung magti-trigger guys. So, pag bumili kayo ng dalawang toothpaste, hindi na mag-print yung extra box. Pero may mga employees or managers na i-honor yung deal on that week guys kasi Saturday pa rin naman. Ang gagawin nyo pag hindi nag-trigger yung extra box or hindi nag-print yung extra box nyo for buying 2 toothpaste, sabihin nyo lang sa manager or the cashier. Mabait naman sila guys at i-honor naman nila yon. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng example guys. Bibili tayo ng toothpaste ng Colgate. So, punta tayo sa weekly deals. Ito yung ads nila guys. Makikita natin dito na yung Colgate toothpaste is 2 for $7.98. And when you buy 2, kung bibili tayo ng dalawa, may balik na $4 extra box. So, magandang deal ito guys. So alam na natin na merong deal ang Colgate and merong balik na extra bucks. So check natin yung ating coupons guys. So punta tayo sa deals and rewards. Nandun ang ating mga coupons. So makikita nyo guys, sa account na to, meron akong $2 for 1 na Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. So gagamitin ko iyon. And since yung digital coupon is only for 1 toothpaste guys, kailangan ko ng isang coupon pa para gamitin sa isang toothpaste. So ang gagawin ko guys, punta ako sa website ng colgate.com and merong coupons guys sa website. I-click nyo lang yung coupons and mag-appear yung mga coupons guys for Colgate, mouthwash, toothbrush. Pero required na mag-login muna kayo guys. So, i-provide nyo lang yung email ad and yung zip code. Then, mag-appear na yung mga coupons. I-click nyo lang yung plus and i-print na. So, nakapag-print ako ng Colgate na coupon guys. So, gagamitin ko to sa aking transaction. Ngayon guys, meron na akong total na $2.75 na coupon. Kasi 'di ba yung digital coupon ko is $2 and then itong printable coupon ko 75 cents. So total $2.75. And then yung total ng Colgate is $7.98. So after madidak yung coupons guys, ang babayaran ko na lang is $5.23. So, sa mga bago guys, wala pang mga extra bucks na i-roll. So, bayaran nyo muna in cash yung $5.23. And then, mayroong magpiprint na $4 na extra bucks guys. Yun naman ang gamitin nyo for your next purchase. Yung extra bucks guys ay considered na cash yun. Pwede yung gamitin pambili ng kailangan nyo sa CVS. So, ito na yung sinasabi ko na extra bucks guys. Ito yung $4 na nakuha ko for buying 2 Colgate toothpaste. Nagamit yung aking isang account. So, ito yung extra bucks considered as money. So, yan yun guys. And meron pang other deals ang Colgate guys. Yung Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash. Yun naman ay buy 2, get $5 extra bucks. And nakasale sila at $4.49. Kaya ko mini-mention guys kasi meron akong store coupon guys, yung CRT na $5 off $25 Colgate toothpaste, mouthwash, toothbrush. So tuturuan ko naman kayo paano gamitin yun kung makareceive kayo ng ganong CRT. So ang ibig sabihin ng CRT na yun guys, pag nag-spend kayo ng $25 or more sa Colgate toothpaste, toothbrush, or mouthwash, meron kayong discount na $5. $5 din yun guys, di ba? So, ang gagawin natin, i-combine natin yung dalawang deals guys. Kanina, yung Colgate toothpaste at yung Colgate toothbrush and mouthwash. And I have to mention guys na yung Colgate deals, limit of 2 yun. Meaning, pwede natin gawin twice at makakuha pa rin tayo ng extra bucks na double. Pag kasi sinasabi na limit of 1 guys, one time lang natin pwedeng gawin yung deals and one time lang din magpiprint yung extra bucks. Pero pag sinasabing limit of 2, pwede natin gawin twice at makaka-receive tayo ng extra bucks twice din. So double ang extra bucks. Okay, so ang gagawin ko guys is i-max out ko yung deal sa Colgate mouthwash and toothbrushes. Kasi limit of 2, pwede kong yung gawin para ma-meet ko yung $25 na spending guys. So, yung Colgate toothpaste kukuha tayo, di ba? $7.98 na yon. Tapos yung Colgate mouthwash, pag kukuha ako ng dalawa, $4.49 each. So, total is $8.98. At makikita nyo guys, meron akong $2 for 1 na digital coupon. So, meron akong isa pang item na walang coupon. So, nagprint ako sa colgate.com. So, ito naman yung aking printable coupon for the Colgate mouthwash. So, meron na tayong total na $2.75 na coupon. So, after coupons, ang total na lang is $6.23. But, pag bumili tayo ng dalawa, meron tayong $5 na balik guys. So, ang final cost natin for this is $1.23 na lang or 61 cents each. Pero, sabi ko nga guys, gagamitin ko yung aking CRT o yung store coupon na $5 off $25. So, magiging better deals for me guys kung gamitin natin yon. So, sabi ko nga guys, ima-max out ko yung deal ng Colgate mouthwash and toothbrushes kasi limit of 2. So, gagawin ko naman ay yung Colgate toothbrush. Naka-sale din sila ng $4.49 and if we buy 2, makakakuha tayo ng $5 na extra box. So, total ng dalawang Colgate toothbrush guys is $8.98 and wala akong digital coupon guys. Pero, nag-print ako sa website. Nag-print ako ng dalawa. Pwede tayong gumamit ng dalawa kasi limit of 2 guys. Pwede. No more than 2 identical coupons. So, pwede natin gamitin tong dalawa. So, total after coupons guys is $7.48. And then, pabalik yung $5 na extra box, making it $2.48. Or $1.24 each. Pag individual lang na deal guys. But like I said, gagamitin ko yung aking $5 off $25 na CRT or store coupon. So, punta na tayo sa ating grand total. So, yung toothpaste guys is $7.98 yung dalawa, di ba? Tapos yung Colgate mouthwash, yung dalawa, $8.98. So, $7.98 plus $8.98 plus yung dalawang Colgate na toothbrush, $8.98. So, total lahat guys is $25.94. And then, total ng coupons natin is una, yung $5 off $25. So, yung $5 magdideduct yun kasi ang total natin is $25.94 na. And meron tayong $2.75 na coupon para sa Colgate toothpaste. And meron tayong $2.75 total ng coupons para sa Colgate mouthwash. And meron tayong $1.50 total ng coupon para sa Colgate toothbrush. So, total coupons natin guys is $12 na. So, magdideduct yung $12 guys from our total na $25.94, making it only $13.94 na lang. So, para sa inyo guys na bago pa, magbayad muna kayo ng $13.94 sa cashier. Pag meron na kayong extra box guys, kaya ko marami na akong extra box, pwede ko na yung ipambayad dito at magbigay ng total na $14 at magiging 0 na lang ang aking subtotal. Kasi meron na akong extra box na naipon. Pero para sa mga baguhan guys, kung gagawin nyo tong deal na to, bayaran nyo muna yung $13.94 in cash. Tapos, after nun guys, pag ma-print na yung receipt nyo, makakatanggap kayo ng $10 na extra box para sa pagbili ng dalawang Colgate mouthwash and Colgate na toothbrush and $4 para sa pagbili ng dalawang Colgate toothpaste. So, $14 na total guys. So, nagbayad kayo ng $13.94 pero bumalik sa iyo yung $14 na extra box guys. Meaning, yung toothpaste, mouthwash, toothbrush ay free na guys. So, yun yung sinasabi guys na hindi tayo dapat magbayad para sa toothpaste. So, kaya lagi tayong nakakakuha ng free toothpaste, free toothbrush, free mouthwash. Kasi merong CRTs and coupons na pwede natin gamitin sa CVS. So, pag ready na kayong magbayad sa cashier guys, ang gawin nyo lang is ipakita nyo lang yung barcode guys sa app at i-scan lang yun ng cashier or ibigay nyo yung number nyo guys na nakalink sa account nyo. Pero I will not advise that guys kasi hindi safe. Kasi baka yung may ibang tao guys na makarinig ng number nyo at gamitin yung account nyo at i-spend yung extra bucks nyo guys. So, not safe for me. So, ang ginagawa ko lang guys is ipakita ko lang yung barcode at i-scan lang yun ng cashier. And then, after that, ibigay yung coupons. So, ito guys. So, sa Colgate natin na transaction, ibigay ko lang tong coupons na to at i-scan yan ng cashier. And then, tatanungin ka kung may extra bucks ka ba or ganun. Sabihin nyo lang na wala pa kasi bago. Pero pag meron na kayo guys, isama nyo yung extra bucks na gusto mong i-roll. So, for example, sa Colgate deal natin, magbabayad ka ng $13.94, diba? So, meron kang $10 na extra bucks and $4 na extra bucks. Ibigay nyo yun sa cashier at i-scan nyo yun as your bayad. So, yung subtotal nyo is magiging 0. Plus tax na lang, magbayad na lang kayo ng tax. If gusto nyo talagang gumamit ng paper coupons guys at mas mura sa inyo dyan, ang alam ko yung $3 is nagbebenta ng Sunday newspapers na $1 lang at may inserts. Sa amin kasi dito wala. And kung mas mura sa inyo guys, bumili kayo ng insert and pwede yung gamitin. Consider yun as manufacturer coupon or yung printable coupon na print ko guys. Magkapariha lang sila guys ha, hindi yun pwede isabay. So kung sinasabing $2 for one yung Colgate, so yung $2 is for one item and yung isa for one item. Dalawang manufacturer coupon lang ang pwede mong gamitin plus yung store coupon. So yung printable coupon ko guys is considered as manufacturer coupon. Tapos yung paper coupon naman sa inserts ay manufacturer coupon din. So, yun guys. So, kung ano ang mas preferred nyo at meron kayong makukuhanan na mas murang insert, go for it guys. Mas maganda. At meron ding binibili na fairy. Merong group na nagbebenta ng mga coupons guys. Like, binibenta nila per product. Tapos may 10, ganun. Pwede din kayong bumili doon guys. Hindi ko lang maalala guys kung anong grupo yun guys sa Facebook na nagbibenta ng mga coupons guys. Pero I will update my description box guys kung saan yun. Pero maging maingat pa rin guys sa pagbili kasi merong mga fake na mga coupons. So ingat-ingat lang. So, ganun lang kasimple ang pagkukupon sa CVS guys. I hope meron kayong natutunan at if meron pa kayong questions guys, please leave a comment down below and I will really try to answer you or help you with CVS couponing. So, that's it guys for my video today. I hope you enjoy it and if you do, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, share, and subscribe and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!